This video is a recording of my home lab. I'm playing Kubernetes cluster. In today, I'm gonna use MINIKUBE to deploy my personal website, something like this. This one is a demo website which is currently running on my home lab. I want to demonstrate how I did it with something like, let's say, minikube a DevOps beginner set. So currently we don't have it. To build this home lab, I'll need a VM. So I'll create a VM first. So this is the VM name with 4 CPU, 8 gig of memory, 16 gig of disk. The goal of today will be something we're gonna set up a Kubernetes cluster with minikube. Then we're gonna deploy this website. This will be the goal today. That's the command how I create my VM. Minikube install. Okay, the VM is ready. I'll do the installation first. Pass shell beginner. You can see this is a new VM. This is how we install it. I'll start a Kubernetes cluster. Let's go with driver Docker. But we don't have Docker now. We have to install Docker first. Let's install Docker. I also want to make sure that this user would be in Docker group, so it can run Docker. Now we can start the. Here I just defined a profile name. This is definitely optional. You can, if you just go with MINIKUBE start, then the default cluster will be created. But you don't have to have this. And this command to this. I just pause the video so we don't have to wait for installation. It took me about like 5 minutes to start this cluster. Let's check the status. Running, config. Looks all good. Let's see what's in there. We don't have Kubernetes control yet. Let's install Kubernetes control for. These are the resources already in the cluster with their system namespaces. Next, we want to since the cluster is ready, which is our first goal, then I want to deploy an application. By application, I've already have my application available as a Helm chart. I'll copy this file over. Then I'll deploy this application. We don't have Helm yet. I'll install Helm first. Helm installed. I'll install my. No, Helm is not installed. Looks there was something wrong with the PGP key. I just re-download the key and reinstall Helm. So the Helm is installed. Let's install the application now. Application has been installed with this command. So I also want to enable HTTPS service, so I need a certificate and key file, which already have. I'm going to create a secret. This secret is defined in the Helm chart for the certificate and the key. It's been created. I'll also put it into copy this. Application is running. Service is up and available. I also want a ingress, which I'm gonna use Nginx. With this ingress, it gonna help balance the traffic. This one, you can see it is a load balancer, ingress Nginx, load balancer, but still this is a cluster inside the Kubernetes, and I also have a separate Nginx server for as load balancer. Let's check this file. So this file gonna redirect the traffic to this MINIKUBE cluster. I want to check the IP address. So you can see this VM IP address is 150. I'll update my Nginx. This Nginx service is gonna take care of traffic to minikube.devopsbeginner.set. Restart the Nginx service. I still couldn't access this service because it is still inside the MINIKUBE cluster internally. One last thing I have to do is to expose the service by MINIKUBE tunnel. So I'm gonna use this tunnel to bind it to public IP addresses. Let's check it again. Bingo, it's working. So in this recording for my HomeLab, we just create a MINIKUBE Kubernetes cluster and deployed a personal website.